We have taken note of reports in the media regarding the recent judgment of the Supreme Court concerning the funds of Rivers State and the administration of local government in the state. At this time, we are waiting a detailed briefing on the implications of the judgment. We will carefully evaluate the situation, determine the next steps to take in the best interest of Rivers State and its people. Though we have not gotten the details of the judgment from our legal team, we enjoin Rivers people to remain calm, law-abiding, and go about our legitimate businesses as we seek clarity on the judgment. We believe that the determination of the main issue of defection of the 27 lawmakers is a matter not before the Supreme Court, as it is pending at the Federal High Court in Port Harcourt. Since the issue of defection wasn't on the table before the learned justices, in their eyes, Amehule and the 26 others are still operating as lawmakers until that matter of defection comes before them. We assure you that we remain committed to upholding our mandate to protect the best interests and the rule of law in matters affecting our dear states.